So do you prefer to eat out at a restaurant or do you like to stay at home?
I prefer eating out at restaurants because there are many restaurants and many varieties of food. If
Um,
I
if
want
mhm.
to, if I want to put a lot of choices, a food court is good. In a food court, I have many choices, which is Japanese, Chinese, and Korean food. The last restaurant I went was a hamburger store, which is called Handmade Burger.
Mm. So you said which is the last restaurant you went to was a hamburger restaurant, which is and
Sold,
third?
sold dessert.
Oh, sold. They sold handmade burgers. Mm. Okay, ready? So one more time, same question. So do you like to eat out or eat at home?
Mm, I prefer eating out at a restaurant because there are many restaurants and many varieties of food. If I want to have a lot of choices, a food court is good. If in a food court, many choices. Ah!
It's okay.
In a food court, I have many choices, which is Japanese, Chinese, and Korean food. The last restaurant I went was a hamburger store, which is sold in the major bottle.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Nice. Nice.